Hi, my name is Jay Grams. My family has owned the Volo Auto Museum since 1960. We have a few hundred of the most exciting collector cars, and they're all for sale in one location. I personally have handpicked them from around the country. Welcome to my sales shop. Come on, let's go for a spin. We got a real 1937 Chevy, all steel. It's the real deal, not a fiberglass car. Done up real nice. It's a turnkey driver. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read all the specs, study over 100 pictures, and find the surprisingly low price on this one. And not only this one, but we have a few hundred collector cars all for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy watching the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and be sure to click on the bell icon, as you will be notified as the new ones are posted. Right now, let's go for a spin in this 37 Chevy Coupe. I'm going to back away for a second. Isn't that just a good-looking car? The 37 just has a nice look. This one has a nice stance, beautiful, deep raspberry color, tinted glass. I think it's just one good-looking car. And like I said, it's all steel. The fenders are steel. The running boards are reproduction, but they're even steel. But underneath the car, it does have a factory frame in good solid condition, and the floors look really nice. Looks like they're not patched up. Nice, clean, original metal floors. But up front, it has a Mustang 2 independent front suspension, and that includes a rack and pinion power steering system. You look up at the motor, it's nice and clean. I think it has a chrome oil pan, has a high torque starter, has a turbo 350 automatic, has a 10-bolt rear end in the back. In the back, it has the parallel leaf springs with lowering blocks. The shocks don't look that old. It's got a nice exhaust system. The mufflers look new. They're actually polished. There's some nice flared tips coming out the back. Disc brakes in front, drum in back. So again, the body is real nice. This car's been driven. It's a little bit of an older build, so it might not be perfect, but I tell you what, standing here, it is stunning. And the body is straight. There's no rust or damage. This is all smooth, all clean around here, no damage. When I say there might be a imperfection, there's some little imperfections here and there. I'm sure I'll find some as we go. I like it still has some of the classic features, the hood ornament, the grille, the headlamps. Look at those headlights. Those are cool. Glass lenses. Does have some modern turn signals mounted in the fenders. You can see they eliminated the bumpers for a clean look. I also love the hood, the slanted louvers like that. Got some really nice polished aluminum wheels. I think they're 14s in front, 15s in back, and then of course they're wider in the back as well. Tinted glass, has door handles. I prefer that over the remote poppers. It's nice to be able to open your door. Interior's all redone. Has some LED teardrop taillights. Power antenna. Open the trunk for you. I'm looking for paint flaws again. There are little tiny, a little like speck in the paint, but nothing significant. Smooth all along here. Oh, there is a couple bubbles right here. Very faint, mild bubbles you'd have to look for. Now inside the trunk, it's all carpeted and it has custom upholstery. It matches the interior. The gas filler is relocated here. There's a box of miscellaneous parts, paperwork. It looks like there's a car cover. It comes with it too. And it looks like there's some clips that hold this in place. They need to be popped back in. Hand pinstripe, says 37. The Chevy bow tie. It's got some billet mirrors. Hood opens on either side. It's a Chevy 350 motor. You'll hear it in a minute. Just a nice smooth running engine. The top of the motor has some nice matched aluminum valve covers and air cleaner. They could use a little polish. You could spend the afternoon in here and really brighten this up. Also a polished intake with a chrome-plated Edelbrock carb. But this does feature air conditioning, power steering, and power disc brakes. Firewall's painted nice, has stock exhaust manifolds, distributor, wiring, everything's tidy. The interior, Very comfortable. It is a little dated, the tweed, but they did a nice job. All this custom stitching. There's a little staining down here from people's feet. The whole headliner, the whole inside of the cab is upholstered. The visors, everything. It has reclining seats. Got a chrome latch here. It's got power windows. It's got seat belts. It has a rear deck behind the rear seat, and it's all stitched and upholstered. It has a Chevy bow tie. If you open up the lid, there's space in there, but there's the battery with a kill switch. Also has one of those secret audio systems, the radio units right between the seats there. It's on a tilt column. Has a classic set of Stewart Warner gauges, very clean, easy to read. The dash is painted real nice. Got a nice steering wheel. It's got billet pedals. That just sound nice. It's very comfortable. 2 adults easily fit. You got room for your luggage or coolers or lawn chairs. Love the color on this car. Look at that. If you buy this car, there is a special way to do that. Don't bend it. It took me a minute to figure it out. Yeah, it's a lot of hot rod for the money, folks. Even if you put a new interior in it and you upgraded the motor compartment with some new parts, you're way ahead of the game. I've got street rods that are similar to this that are 2-3 times the money we're asking for this one, and it's a good car. It's just a little bit dated, but I think it's beautiful. Visit volocars.com. I gave you my honest impression of the car, but there's plenty of ways on our website to contact the salesman. They'll answer your questions or concerns about the car, the process, the financing, the delivery. They'll help with all that. Visit volocars.com. If you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy them, subscribe to the YouTube channel, click on the bell icon. You'll be the first to see the next one that comes out. Thanks for watching.